Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and today we are at 27 Davies Road in the heart of Claremont. It is an absolutely beautiful property filled with heritage, filled with history, built in 1912. 4 bedrooms, there's been an extension. It's perfect for family living on a very generous 809 square meter block. So let's have a look inside. First thing you'll notice is we are on Davies Road. You've got this beautiful and very overgrown boundary wall, but it gives you a lot of privacy from Davies Road. And this double carport was an addition that was done in 1992. One of the things I love about this type of home, this is a Federation Bungalow, as I said, built in 1912. You'll notice the double sash windows, and I love an elevated veranda. There's a real simplicity about this home that is absolutely lovely. And as you would expect in a home of this vintage, as you walk in, Jarrah floorboards, high ceilings, it's amazing. So here's the first bedroom. Pressed tin ceilings in the original part of the home as well. Generous proportioned rooms, as they were built around the turn of the century. And in the second bedroom, original fireplace. Love the brickwork on that. These homes are so much fun. Notice the beautiful wide plank Jarrah floorboards. Here you've got a formal dining room. This would have likely been an original kitchen. As you see, the original feature over there would have likely been the stove, and adjacent to the formal dining is a formal living room. Now this formal living room is quite a generous sized room as well, so this could actually be turned into another bedroom. So the next bedroom that I'll show you is the children's bedroom. It was actually built as a children's bedroom, currently being used as an office. But if you wanted to retain that as an office, this would make a very generous 4th bedroom. And now we'll step down into what was the addition to the property. And over here we have the children's bedroom. So built in the early 70s as an addition for their kids, giving you access out onto the alfresco. And then right behind you is the bathroom. Light and bright. And the further extension that we have here was built in the 80s. They've retained some character features like the lead-light windows, and then notice the vaulted ceilings, and you've got this really cozy wood stove. I love a good wood stove. I grew up with one where I'm from in the Pacific Northwest in the United States, and especially this time of year, it's winter right now. Wonderful to have a good wood stove. So you've got a family room, your dining, kitchen, and then the actual 4th bedroom as it currently is designed is right back here. Next, we'll have a look at the alfresco. It's got this fantastic, mature wisteria covering the whole thing. Imagine in the springtime and the summer when this is just filled with green and the flowers, and what a beautiful space to set and have a meal, glass of wine, cheese board. It's very green and lush, and I love these homes that have a real sense of family and character and life in them. One of the wonderful features of this property is actually the block size, 809 square meters, zoned R30, so there is a subdivision potential. And if we see back here, we're gonna go back. It's like having your own parkland. There's a special feature just on the other side of the boundary, which is fun. Got all of these original brickwork here. Now, if you've got kids, you'll love this. Now, obviously not part of the property, but a feature being adjacent to a little play park if you've got some little ones or grandkids. Look at these gorgeous trees, absolutely stunning. And then back in through the laundry room, through the kitchen. Pantry, back through the kitchen. So much potential in this home as well, to make it your very own. Love the ceiling features again. That's such a special touch. Thank you. There you have 27 Davies Road in the heart of Claremont, Western Australia. If you have any questions about the property, if you'd like to view the property privately, or if you'd like to make an offer, call me. I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.